Last 3 days was the worst disaster I have seen. So my office worked like a war room. I had a war room structure over here to coordinate with all our volunteers, with all our people, and also with the electricity department staff. So we first attacked the necessary infrastructure. There is high tension lines. Many of the places high tension poles had broken down, so we brought new poles. We used the hired cranes, hired labor, and we put the high tension poles, high tension lines, then low tension poles, domestic lines, and we brought the thing under control. But still, there was a lot of damage done, and especially damage to the not only the electrical lines but damage to the transformers. I am happy that we could change the transformers in Davalli, Zorivado. We brought a new transformer and put there. Next to Zorivado, there was another transformer which was under construction. We got it commissioned. So we brought additional 200 kVA transformer there. By the time we finished putting that transformer, we came to know that there is a problem in Akembaish. Before that, we had a problem in Cruz Nagar. And Cruz Nagar, the transformer which was burnt, we replaced it within 3 hours. Then we came to Shanti Nagar. Shanti Nagar also we tried to repair. Then finally at Gorakshivadi we had a transformer which was burnt. We replaced that transformer with a brand new transformer. And thereafter we came to know that opposite Navili Church, where the L&L Jewels is there was one transformer which not functioning properly. 2 phases were completely burnt. So there also I got a new transformer erected, old transformer removed, and wherever is possible, when we had that old works of construction, new transformers, we got them also partly commissioned. So with the help of this, I am very happy that we could settle many of the problems which were created during last 3 days. I thank the volunteers, I thank the electricity department staff who have worked tirelessly day and night, and I am very happy to inform you that we are going to honor this staff. Today they promised me that there will be 100% light. Very soon, as soon as this COVID lockdown is over, I am going to honor them. And that is what is required, so that other government officials can take the example of these officials.
अंडरग्राउंड केबलिंग हे नावेली मतदारसंघात आमी आता जातले म्हणून खूप तेंप जाले आयकता. हे काम आता खूप तेंप पेंडिंग आसा आनी पयरचे सायक्लोन जाले पळय तितून खुबशे प्रॉपर्टी डॅमेज जाली, पोल्स पडले आनी खुबशे हे जाले. सो केन्ना सुरू जातले आनी कित्याक लागून पेंडिंग आसा अंडरग्राउंड केबलिंग नावेली?
सी 2017 जेन्ना हांव आमदार जालो, म्हाका 2 वस्तू infrastructure was creating a problem. Like water supply, which I have solved, and दूसरे electricity. Electricity, in my last term, I had suggested 2 substations. One in Naveli, behind the church, and one in Margaon, the Konkan Railway near Hove Beach. That was commissioned, but that was only 6.3 megawatts. The moment I became MLA, I brought another 10 megawatt transformer. So from 6.3 we converted to 16.3 megawatt transformer. So it's slightly improved. But I was not very happy because the Naveli substation had to come. Since it did not come, I gave them alternate land in Davalli to put up a 33 megawatt new power station. And I'm very happy and proud. The work is going on. That work is around 16 crores. It's likely to be ready by another 2 or 3 months' time. Now, in the meantime, I found that the total L&T and HT lines, L&T means distribution, the low tension, transmission and distribution networks are a little old. So we wanted to put the new underground cabling. So I asked the engineers in 2018 to prepare a new estimate, and that estimate is 65 crores. And I have got it tendered twice, but somehow they could not finalize the works, and they are, in the meantime, once there is tendered, they have to get it approved and all that. The work is in pipeline. Now, once the new substation is ready, I hope to have the underground cabling also simultaneously starting, so that Navelim constituency will have a quality network of infrastructure to see that people get uninterrupted power. In the meantime, housing board is ready, so 4 villages are left to have underground cable.